Thanks for stopping by Whimsy Stamps. It's great to have you here. I'm Lisa with all the details on the September 1st release. Stay tuned for the August comment winner and spooktacular samples from our design team members. First, let's have a look at our products. Starting with Rats, You're Sick. This 4x6 set includes 7 sentiments and 3 images. The images are of rats holding a Band-Aid, one holding a box of tissue, and one on crutches. Now, a few of the sentiments are, "Aw, rats," "Sorry you're sick," "Sorry you have a boo-boo," and "Hang in there." Now, this set is going to pair perfectly with the previously released Big Band-Aid die set or the Swiss Dots cover plate dies by Whimsy. Next up, we have the Autumn Vibes 4x6 Clear Stamp Set. If you're looking to add a little bit of autumn whimsy to your crafting projects, this is a stamp set for you. It features 2 adorable scarecrows, cute leaves with smiling faces, and 5 buildable sentiments. Now, whether you're creating a fall-themed card or adding some seasonal flair to your scrapbook pages, this set is sure to come in handy. Looking for the perfect way to add a little spooky fun to your next craft project? Look no further than the ATC Halloween Scene 4x6 Clear Stamp Set. This set includes 10 clear stamps featuring everything you need to create a spooky scene, including spiders, a graveyard with eerie trees, and a spiderweb frame. Now, this set is sure to be a hit when combined with Whimsy Stamps ATC Book Die Set and Antique ATC Frame Die Sets. This leads us right into our next product, POE Boy Clear Stamps Set. This set includes 5 images and 4 sentiments perfect for creating spooky cards and projects. Use the crow image to create a never-ending scene, or mix and match the other images and sentiments to create your own unique design. Add some Edgar Allan Poe flair to your next paper crafting project with this fun stamp set. If you're looking for the most adorable bats around, look no further than the CUTIE BATOOTIE 4x6 Clear Stamp Set and outline dies. Now, the dies are sold separately for this set, and they do include 3 dies for each of the bats. Now, this set includes a flying bat, a bat hanging upside down, and a bat peeking from behind some pumpkins, all in the most adorable, whimsical style. Perfect for Halloween cards and crafts, these stamps and dies are sure to add some fun and excitement to your projects. Don't miss out. These are going to fly off the shelf. Moving on from our clear stamp sets into our rubber cling stamp, we have Spiderweb's Background. This is perfect for creating spooky and fun Halloween cards. It pairs perfectly with Whimsy's Fuzzy Spider stamp set and can be used on slimline cards as well as A2 cards. Next, we have the Bat Reveals die set. This set of dies is perfect for creating dramatic reveals on your card. Now, the largest die in the set is 5.5 inches wide, making it great for landscape A2 cards. And the smaller 4.25 inches wide is ideal for portrait A2 cards. The third die cuts out 4 additional bats for you. With these dies, you can easily add some spooky fun to your Halloween card making. Moving on to the Drippy Frame Die from Whimsy Stamps, it's perfect for creating unique and fun handmade cards. This die features a drippy, oozy frame that can be used to create all sorts of creepy, spooky, or just plain silly scenes. Whether you're making a card for a friend's birthday or a Halloween party invitation, the Drippy Frame Die is sure to add a bit of fun and whimsy. Okay guys, this is one of my favorites from this release, the Whimsy Stamps Mini Slim Treehouse die set. It is perfect for creating spooky Halloween cards. The set includes a 6.25 inch high by 3 1/8 inch wide die, has embossed roofline details, and 3 dies that cut out boards to go over the door. It's perfect for all slimline cards. Now, with this intricate details and creepy tree design, this die is going to give your cards a spooky touch. Looking for a fun and easy way to add some frightful flair to your paper crafting projects? Then check out the Haunted Graveyard 6x6 paper pack from Whimsy. This pack includes 30 single-sided sheets of pattern paper with 15 different designs. So whether you're looking for creepy crawly spiders or ghastly ghosts, sinister tombstones, they've got you covered. Plus, these papers are perfect for creating easy backgrounds. Just add a few die cuts or embellishments and you're good to go. And last, add a little bit of spooky sparkle to your crafts with the exclusive Haunted Confetti Mix by This Calls for Confetti. This mix is full of black and purple sequin confettis, sparkle gems, and fun shapes created to coordinate with Whimsy Stamps Haunted Graveyard Paper Pack. Now that's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share the winner of the August giveaway. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the lucky winner of the August giveaway is Vivian C. Congratulations, Vivian. Be sure to email us to claim your prize. You can find all the details below in the description box. Now you can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to browse all the new release items. Take care. Until next time, please know how much we truly appreciate you and the time you spend with us.